welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex, and please hit subscribe button below if you like videos about fashion unboxing, luxury items, reviews, comparisons, travel and more. So today is gonna be one of these comparisons video that I'm gonna do for their product that I post about like 6 months or something ago, and it was about Balenciaga Triple S sneakers. So I actually post review. It wasn't review. It was an unboxing of these sneakers. Okay, so this is a Triple S, and as you can see by the name of this video and for like the previous video about this unboxing, this is not real thing. It's not Balenciaga Triple S. It's dupe, and I got it from the seller from Aliexpress, and actually I already got several items from them. So this was like kind of my first kindish, I would say, designer shoes. I mean, it's kind of designer, but it's dupe. So, and it was like my first one. After this one, I actually really fall in love with designer shoes, and I already have like quite a big collection for different designer, real authentic designer items, but I still keep this one in my collection because I love them so much. And I actually don't even want to buy like real Balenciaga as for this moment, so I don't really want to pay $1,000 for these sneakers. I mean, I already pretty much use them a lot, and the style like literally on every single of my, like so many of my pictures, and I don't really want to spend money for buying exact thing again, probably in different color or something, but I don't really want to. So this is the ones that I got, like a first one, and I got them for about, so I got them during the summer, so it's about like 6 months ago, I guess. This one I use so much till today. Okay, so, and this is look like this. It's as you can see, pink, red, blue, like all the colors that I so much like here, and they have like sizes here on top, and literally every single like piece here and how it's made, it's completely the same as like real Balenciaga sneakers, real Triple S. I tried this one exactly the same color, everything in a store, and it's actually completely the same. I thought probably to buy one real, and they were like on a discount for like $560, $600, and I just decided not to do it because I already have this style. It's literally almost the same thing, and I just don't want to pay more money to get the same shoes in just completely the same color and stuff. So this one I paid $72, and pretty much after this I use them like literally every day. So much time spent in these shoes, winter, spring, fall, like it's like every time you can wear them. I even use them during summer when I was traveling, and I walked them. I just was walking in them everywhere. So, and they still in perfect condition. They still have nothing, like literally nothing to fall from them. It's still in the same almost perfect condition. Obviously you can see here, like when you walk, maybe a little bit some wrinkles here, but it's usual thing for all the shoes literally. So, and I didn't really like clean them much, just maybe some wet wipes and just clean around. But basically, yeah, so basically, yeah, I can say that they pretty good offer when you can buy just for $72 and get like literally almost same stuff that you would buy if you just pay how much, $900, like the new Balenciagas. It's about $900, which is super a lot, insanely high price, and I don't think this one is any worse than that. After I tried this one and I realized I like them so much, and this is the best what I could buy from this Aliexpress sellers. I decided to get another one. They actually have like link to their website, and it has like so many brands, a lot of different shoes, boots, sandals, whatever like you could just imagine. They have like everything, including all the possible colors of this triple S from Balenciaga. So when I looked at this website, I decided I want something super neutral that could work like literally with everything you have in your closet. So, and I ended up getting this one. So this is kind of, I'd say, beige. Okay, so I wanted something neutral, and I ended up getting these ones. It's as you can see, kind of grayish, some beige, some like kind of white, but it's super like versatile. And this one I literally could wear with everything. I traveled twice in them, and I wore them with dresses, I wore them with shorts, leggings, sport outfits, and like literally everything, jeans, whatever. So, and the color is super like neutral, that really goes with anything, with any color, and they are super comfy. And what also I like, that it's completely same quality with this one. So this one is my first one from this seller, and this is the second one. So then I got this one. It just was one shoes, that's it. I didn't buy anything else because I just realized that the best thing they have, as for me, is the shoes in the store. So they have so many different colors. Right now I want to get one more super like a bold color. I want this neon green, like super crazy nice green. It's completely the same as the original one that you see like in a lot of pictures and on like a lot of stores that sell them. So, and I want this neon green. I actually already even texted them, but right now they have Chinese New Year, and they are like till the end of February not accepting any orders. Just take about 2 weeks and it's already gonna be in US. So, and to sum it up, I can say this was the best what I ever bought from Aliexpress. I guess this is it about the shoes, and this is kind of like my my review after having this for 6 months. And thank you so much for watching it. I'll see you soon with more videos and unboxing luxury items.